then as you come down in the U stall, and then in theory it would be behind you here, and then you just repeat what you did where you come down in the U stall here. And then I'm just using that same paddle step with the, you know, planting on my right foot and going around. I'm going to give you a distinction though, not what you necessarily need to change anything to, but just so that you have it. When I think about where you're putting the stalls, I think about it in terms of 5 different slots. So in line, and then you have elbow lines, and then you have full length lines. You're executing it right now the way I would probably execute it, which is the full length lines, this to this. But you could do it where you bent your elbow and it was more like this. So more contracted and at the elbow length rather than the full length. I think the physiology is different in terms of how you actually have to execute the upstall to do this U versus how you do it with a full arm U. It's subtle, but it does matter in my opinion. And then what would happen with the right hand is you would here, so then you would just keep doing drop stalls with this as you're doing that same footwork. All you do is, you're here like this, and then as you turn and bring the right one back, your left foot steps forward, your left hand would be up here. Left foot steps forward. It almost does feel like your right arm is staying in place, I agree. It's so simple, it's like, wait, what? How is that so easy? And so the trick is to not overwork the right hand and try and make sure you don't have a lot of wobble. Bump and bump and bump and bump and bump, bump, bump. It'd be easier for you to get into it if you start it from a clockwise pinwheel, because then you'll have the energy dropping down with the right hand as you're going up with the left. That just might be a better way to start for the moment, because then you'll have momentum.